here in the center of the square, they have these awesome birds nests that they've put up. And the birds, they are using them. There's a lot of birds around as a result. See them swinging in the breeze. I just love that they take the time to do this kind of stuff here. And they've got birds nests like this hung up all up in the trees. You can see them over there. You just have to take a minute and look up. There's a lot of native bird species here in Mexico, and a lot of pigeons. See that white one sitting up there? We're right in front of the Camino de Natalia and Lake Chapala. Too bad the fountain's not working. Is there water in there? Oh, plenty of water for you, huh? They do have it filled up for the birds. There's another one. Oh, that one went up to its little house. So neat. So smart. I'm so appreciative that they support their native bird population. They really love feeding the birds too. And if you're still enough, they'll just basically come land right by you. This is full of water up here. So even though the fountain's not working, you can see the Chapala sign in the distance and the Coliseum, because this is a magic town and there's lots of security. It's very safe, right? Very safe. Safe and bonita.